It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Dad walks in late from work. Dinner isn't on the table yet. The kids are doing their homework. Science projects are due tomorrow. The baby is screaming. The twins are fighting. It's Monday night. It's family night. Who has the lesson? No treats in the house. Doesn't look like we're going to have family home evening this week. Has this ever happened to you? Raising a family is hard work, and that's why time together is critical to strengthen our families and their personal testimonies through family home evening. I've had nights like this, and I want to share with you 5 easy tips that help to make family home evening successful and stress-free. Number 1, the first important thing is to be consistent. Family home evening doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent. Satan will always try to wiggle his way in, so consistency is crucial. Even if it's short and sweet, it's more important than canceling altogether. Number 2, be prepared and get creative. We need to make family home evening inspiring and purposeful. But how do we do that? Create simple yet effective family home evening lessons from gospel resources all around us. My friends and I decided to come up with a family home evening group, and we put together these fun lessons. This one's on tithing. We have a lesson and a story with a flannel board, a game, a scripture story, a fun family treat, and a magnet to hang on our fridge so our kids can see and be reminded of the lesson throughout the week. These do take a lot of time, but there are other ideas. Have a family home evening in a jar. This has topics and activities that you can just reach in and grab. If you Google family home evening in a jar, you'll find there's lots of ideas and free downloads and lessons already planned. Mormonshare.com also is a great resource. Also, we have great gospel activity books that we have. You can go through LDS.org and download all the manuals for primary, young men, young women. The nursery manual is an excellent source of lessons for small children who have a hard time sitting still. Our kids loved scripture videos. We also had puppets that would demonstrate good behaviors. One of the favorites is we would go to an elderly widow's home and have family home evening with them. Invite other families or the missionaries. My kids love talking to them about their missions. Skype with grandparents and have them teach a lesson. It's important to give our children, no matter what age, each week an assignment. Here is a cute family home evening assignment board where we rotate assignments each week. Number 3, have fun. Build family unity by having fun family activities. Our family loved to play baseball, ping pong tournaments, board games. We'd have service projects. Our family loved art, so we tried to incorporate drawing or coloring or a fun craft. We also love music, and we would all play instruments and have a jam session. Number 4, keep focus on your purpose. Have lessons that focus on important things going on in the lives of your children. We had topics like modesty or media, honesty, tithing, obedience. Family home evening prepares our children for important events like baptism or temple or a mission or a birth of a new child. Discuss their fears, concerns, and joys. Number 5, work through challenges. Monday nights are FHE, but if that night doesn't work, try changing it to a different night. If you have a hard time with children sitting still, have your lessons sitting around a dinner table. We had success having a short lesson, an activity and treat with our younger kids, putting them to bed, and then having an older kids' family home evening. We found success teaching lessons in the car as we drove to an activity. If you're a student or single, find a YSA or a mid-singles family home evening and have a get together with your roommates or with your friends. If you're married without children or they're no longer at home, have a family council or read scriptures with your husband or spouse. Whatever your situation is, Heavenly Father loves and cares for our families and wants success for them. So next Monday night at 7 p.m., when you find that you're stressed out about family home evening, remember these 5 tips. Be consistent, be prepared and creative, have fun, have purpose, and work through your challenges. You will find family home evening to be the highlight of your week. So what are you waiting for? Start today planning your next successful family home evening for your family.